Adding variants in Printful allows you to offer different options for a product. Here's how to add variants step by step. Log into your Printful account. Go to printful.com and log into your account. Create a new product. In the dashboard, go to Stores and select your store. Click Add Product to open Printful's product catalog. Choose a product to customize. Select a product, such as a t-shirt or hoodie, that offers multiple variants. Select Variants. On the product customization page, you will see a Variant section. Here, you can select multiple sizes and colors. Check all the boxes for the variants you want to offer. Add your design. Upload your design and position it on the product. The design will apply to all the selected variants automatically. Set prices and descriptions for variants. You can adjust the pricing and availability for each variant individually. This lets you charge differently based on size or material if needed. Publish the product. Once all variants are added, click Add to Store. The product with its variants will sync to your connected store.